First of all, I would like to welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 15 for grade 3 mathematics. The topic which we are studying nowadays, that is what number am I? And we finish up to question number 15 in the last class. Let's have a quick revision of question number 12, 13, 14 and 15. And then we will start today's work from question number 16. And inshallah, we'll try to finish this topic today. All right, guys. So question number 12 was about I had 18 stickers on Monday and by Friday I had double. How many stickers did I have on Friday? So this is very easy, guys. I was having 18 stickers on Monday. Then by Friday, I got double it. So find out the double of 18. When you find out the double of 18, so just multiply 18 by 2. Because you know to find out the double, you multiply it by 2. 2 by 8, 16. 6 here, 1 you regroup. 2 by 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So the answer is 36. Here you write 36. How many stickers did I have on Friday? That is 36. Come to the question number 13. Guys, I had $14 and I spent half of it. How much have I got left? So guys, how much money do I have? $14 and I spent half of it. So how much money do I have left? In order to find out, in order to know that, what you have to do, you have to find out of half. How you will find out of half? You will divide 14 by 2 and you will get to know the answer. 2 by what will give you 14? 2 by 7 will give you 14. That's mean I have $7 left. That's mean I have $7 left. So you will write here 7. I have $7. So this was the answer. Question number 14 was about we followed a recipe to make 8 cakes. How many cakes? 8 cakes. But made double. We followed the recipe. We were making 8 cakes, but we made double of it. How many cakes did we make? To find out the double of 8, double of 8 means 8 multiplied by 2. So 8 1 8 8 to 16, or you can check with the 2 table 2 1 2 2 2 4 2 3 6 2 4 8 2 5 10 2 6 12 2 7 14 and 2 8 16. So how many cakes did we make? Did I make? Did we make? That is 60. We make 60 cakes. Okay. Then we completed question number 15, and some students were confused in that question. Question number 15 was there were 24 people at the party. How many people? 24 people at the party, and half went home. How many people are still at the party? If you want to know how many people are still at the party, so find out the half of 24. Find out the half of 24. How to find out the half of 24? You know, whenever you need to find out the half, you will divide that number by 2. So this is 24, you divide it by 2. You check to multiply by what will give you 2? That is 2. So 2 by 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. And then this 4 you will put down. Now you will again check table of 2. Up to how many times you will get 4? So 2 multiplied by 2 will give you 4. 4 minus 4 is 0 and 12 is the answer. How many people are still at the party? That is. So guys, up to here everything is clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Today we are going to start from question number 16. I'm going to read question number 16 first, guys. Question number 16 and 17. First I will explain, then we will write it in our notebook. Okay. There were 24 people, 25 people swimming in 1 hour. 25 people were there and they were swimming in 1 hour. But the number of swimmers doubled. In that hour, the number of swimmers are doubled now. How many people were swimming? So guys, tell me your answers. How many people were swimming? And for that, I'm going to make your chat private so that nobody can see your answer. Yes. Sharif Ahmad. 25 people were there and the swimmers then doubled. How many total swimmers are there? Sharif Ahmad, very good. What about other students, guys? Muhammad Farooq, Anas Ali? No. Why 7? Why? 24. I'm asking question number 16. This one, this question. I'm going to make it green. This question, okay? There were 24 people swimming. In 1 hour, the number of swimmers got doubled. Now, how many total people are swimming? Yes, Mama said. Amjad Muhammad, behave yourself, please. Except Sharif, no one is answering. Let me take one of the students. Abdul Aziz Fahad. Abdul Aziz Fahad, can you hear me? Abdul Aziz Fahad, can you hear me? Hello? Mackie, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mackie. How many people were swimming total? There were 24 people swimming. In 1 hour, the number of swimmers doubled. Now, how many people were swimming? Yes.
7.
Why 7? Mhm. Yes. Why 7? There are 25 people swimming in 1 hour. Then the number of swimmers doubled. So there were already 25 people swimming, but in 1 hour they are doubled now. They are doubled now. Find out the double of 25 and you will find that how many people are swimming. How to find out double of 25? Yes. Yes. How to find out the double of 25? Mackie. Can you hear me, Mackie? Let's take one more student. Ammar. Hello, Ammar. Ammar, can you hear me? Muhammad Abdul Rahim Faris.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Find out the double of 25. How to find out the double of 25?
25 multiplied by 2 equals 50.
Very good. How many total people were swimming?
50.
50. That's very good. I'm checking some of the students are not answering and some of the students are answering wrong. I keep asking to you, if you do not understand, ask me. So nobody say that, sir, I did not understand. Everyone says, sir, I understand and understand. When I ask you question, some students don't reply me. Some students is stuck. Some students gave me wrong answers. Okay. So I am going to note their name and I am going to observe them. And I will cut their classwork performances marks. Because they are not asking and they will be in trouble while doing the exam. Even in the chat, some of the students are participating. Okay. Yes, guys. Now I'm going to open all of you mic. How many total people are swimming?
Sir, I do this.
Very good. Sharif, let other students answer. I know your answer. You have already given me in the chat box. Okay. So other students, I'm asking, how many total people are swimming?
I do all of the questions.
Very good.
I do all of the
Very good. So there were 50 people swimming. How you know, guys? Because 20 people, 5 people were swimming in 1 hour. Then they were doubled. So find out double of 2. In order to find out the double of 2, you will multiply 25 by, look, this is 25. And here you multiply it by 2. 2 by 5, 0, 10, 0 here, 1 regroup. 2 by 2, 4, 4 plus 1. So 50 is the answer. So there are 50 people who were swimming. Take out your notebooks, guys. I'm going to share a new screen with you and we will do work. So today is 16th of September. So Thursday. Start writing, guys. Question number 16. In 1 hour, the number of swimmers doubled. There were 24 people swimming. In 1 hour, the number of swimmers doubled. How many people were swimming? How many people were swimming? This is the question, guys. How to find out the answer of that? Because there were 24 people swimming in 1 hour, they got double. So find out the double. In order to find out the double, what you will do? You will multiply 24 by 2. Is it 24 or 25? Sorry, it is 24. It is 25. There were 25 people swimming in 1 hour. They got double. So in order to find out how many total people are swimming, you multiply 25 by 2 and the answer will be 50. So you will say that 25 people were swimming. This is the answer. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Then I will write question number 17. What is question number 17? Question number 17 is, I doubled a number. I doubled a number and got 14. I doubled a number and got 14. What was my number? What was my number? This is question number 17, guys. Complete question number 16 first, then we will move to question number 17. Question number 17 is saying, I doubled the number and got 14. Guys, in these questions, question number 15 and question number 17, you were asking a half or to find out the double. Like question number 12 is about, question number 13 is about, I had $14 and I spent half of it. So you need to find out the half. Okay. I followed a recipe to make 8 cakes, but I made it double. So you have to find out the double. Okay, there were 24 people at the party and half went home. So you have to find out the half of 24. But this question number 17, is telling you that I doubled the number and got 14. What was my number? This is very similar to the beginning questions. Like in the beginning, the questions were half of me is 2 and double of me is 8. So in these type of question, what you were doing, you were finding the opposite because you don't know the number whose half is 2. So in order to find out that, what you were finding, you were doubling the 2, and in that way you will finding the answer. In the same way, you will complete question number 17 as well. In question number 17, you know that you double the number. That means there is a number who you multiplied by 2 and the result you get, that is 14. If you want to find out that number, so what you will do? If you want to find out that number, what you will do? And I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me. Let's move to again this screen. Yes, guys, in order to find out that number, what you will do? Can you tell me?
Sir, the answer is 7. The answer is 7. The answer is 7.
Very good. The answer is 7 because you will find the opposite. You will find the opposite. Question is saying I doubled the number and got 14. So you will find out the half in order to find out that number. If you find out the half of that number, that means if you divide 14 by 2, if you divide 14 by 2, so you will find out 7. 14 divided by 2 equals to 7. 7 is the number. If you double it, you will get 14. If you want to check. 7 multiplied by 2 will give you 14. Okay, so 7 is the number. If you double it, you will get 14. So you will see the number is the number was 7. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Very good. I doubled a number and got 14. What was my number? In order to find that, I'm going to zoom out, guys, so that if some students are writing. Oh, no need to do it. So I doubled the number and got 14. In order to find out that number, what you will do? Find out the opposite of double. Opposite of double is half. Half of 14. And for that, you divide 14 by 2. When you divide 14 by 2, you will check the table of 2. 2 multiplied by what will give you 14. 2 by 1, 2. 2 by 2, 4. 2 by 3, 6. 2 by 4, 8. 2 by 5, 10. 2 by 6, 12. And 2 by 7 will give you 14. That's why 7 is the answer. Now, guys, question number 18. Question number 18. What is question number 18? I halved a number and got 9. I halved a number and got 9. I halved a number and got 9. What was my number? What was my number? This is very similar to question number 17, guys. I halved a number. I don't know a number. There is a number. I found out the half of that number. That's mean I divided by 2. I divided that number by 2. When I divided, I got the answer, that is 9. What we have to do, we have to find out that number. What is the number which is giving us 9 when we divide it by 2? Or when we find out the half of that number, the result we get, that is 9. So this is the question. Yes, guys, can you tell me what was my number? I halved a number and the result I got, that is 9. Yes. Sharif, very good. What about other students, guys? I halved a number and got 9. As you did in question number 17, you will do in question number 18 as well. Find out the opposite of that. You halved a number and got 9. So what is the opposite of half? The opposite of half is double. So find out the double of 9. In that way, you will find out that what was the number. Ali, very good. What about other students, guys? I halved a number and got 9. Muhammad Farooq, very good. Suleiman, tell me the answer, please. I halved a number and got 9. What was my number? In order to find out that, find out the double of a number. Find out the double of 9 because the result is 9. Find out the double of 9. I'm going to take one of the students. Mantha.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mantha, you are not participating in the chat box. Why? Yes, I'm listening. You know the answer of this question? Question number 18?
No, I don't know.
Why? Why don't you know? Are you taking classes?
No.
Why? Listen, Mantha. I halved a number and got 9. Okay. Do you know how to find out the half or how to find out the double? Yes, Mantha. Do you know how to find out the half and how to find out the double? Answer me,
I
please.
don't know what's half.
Half means divide by 2. Half means whenever you make 2 equal parts of anything. Okay. Let's suppose you have 20 chocolates, 10 chocolates you give to your brother, 10 chocolates you keep yourself. Keep for you. Okay. So 10 is the half of 20. You have 20 chocolates, half of chocolates you give to your brother, half you have.
9.
Okay. If you have, let's suppose, if you have this, I show you by this drawing this. Look, this is a square. Okay. This is a square. Okay. The half, if half means to divide anything into 2 equal parts. This is the half of it. So you divide it into 2 equal parts. Half means divide by 2. Okay. Do you understand? So in order to find out half of any number, what you do, you divide actually by 2. Right? And when you have to find out the double, so you multiply it by 2. Okay? So look, question number 18 is saying, I halved a number and got 9. I don't know the number. There is a number. When I divide that number by 2. When I divide that number by 2, so the result which I get, that is 9. Okay? What you have to find? You have to find out that number. How you can do? How you can find out? So you will find out the opposite of half. The opposite of half is double. Okay? The opposite of half is? Yes, Mantha. Opposite of half is? Double. Double. Right? Double. And in order to find out the double, you multiply by 2. Which number you will multiply by 2? The answer. The answer you get, that is 9. So when you multiply 9 by 2, you will get the answer, that is 18. 18 is the number. When you find out the half of 18, the result will be 9. You can check it out. When you divide 18 by 2, the result will be 9. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Yes, guys, is it clear?
Yes,
Very
sir.
clear.
Very good. 9 multiplied by 2 is equals to 18. So you will say the number was 18. Guys, now I'm going to write question number 19, and again I will ask to one of you. Do you have any problem in these questions, guys?
No, sir. I know.
No, sir.
If you did not understand anything in this topic, listen. If you did not understand anything in this topic, so send a message in the chat box. I will open your mic and I will make you understand. But when I ask you question, at that time you have to answer me. I will not make you understand again and again when I ask you. If you did not understand anything, send the message, sir, I did not understand. Please repeat. I will repeat for you. Okay? But when I ask you, that's mean I need answer from you. Because you say, that sir, we understand. We can solve it. That's mean you can answer me. So I will ask you question, then you will have to answer. Again, I am saying if anyone did not understand, please send a message in the chat box. I will repeat for you. Whatever you did not understand, I will repeat that. Again, no messages. Okay, I'm writing question number 19, guys. I doubled the number and got 30. I doubled a number and got 30. What was my... Guys, these questions are for these questions have a similar pattern. Again, a double is given to you. Find out the opposite of that, and in that way you will find out the answer. I doubled a number and got 30. What was my number? Answer me in the chat box, guys. Zaid, Ilyas, yes, I'm listening. What you are saying, sir? Yes, Zaid, what you are saying? Ali, very good. Let me take Muhammad Farooq with me. Muhammad Farooq. Yes. What was my number? What is the answer of question number 19?
10?
10. How? Look.
But wait, double, right? Is double.
I doubled a number and got 30. You don't know which number you doubled, but you know when you double it, you got 30, right? So find out half. Find out half.
6.
No,
Six.
why 6? Muhammad. Find out the half of
Sir,
30.
wait.
Half of 30.
Sir, 0?
What is half of 30?
What is half of 30? 0.
How 0? How to find
Sir,
out
the
half?
half of 20, the half of 30 is 0.
Half of 30, how 0? How to find out half?
You have to divide the 3. You have to divide the 3.
Yes,
And
you
the
have
3 is 6.
30 divided by 2. You have to divide by 2 in order to find out half, right?
Yeah.
So 30 divided by 2 equals to what? Yes, divide 30 by 2 and tell me.
30 divided by 2.
Yes.
$60.
You are dividing by 2. How to divide 30 by 2? Do rough work in your notebook. Write 30 inside, 2 outside. Do the division. To multiply by what will give you 3 or less than 3? 1. 2 by 1 give you 2. Right?
Let's by 3 gives you 20. Let's by 3 gives you 20. we have one more. We put it by the 0 with this 10, and then 10 divided by 2 gives 10.
2 multiplied by 5 will give you 10. So what is the answer here? 15.
15? How did I make it?
So the half of 30 is 15. That means the number was 15. What is the answer, guys?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
Can I
sir.
tell you something?
So,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I want to.
that's very good. Now write question number 20, guys. Question number 20. Question number 20. I halved a number and got 9. I halved a number and got 9. What was my... Then we will write its answer. I halved the number and got 9. You halved the number, so guys, find out the double of the answer. Answer is 9. 9 by 2. Sorry, 20 is 1. I halved the number and got 1. It is I halved the number and got 1. Okay, so you will find out the double of 1. For that, you will multiply 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is 2. So you will say the number was... Is it clear, guys?
Writing the answer. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. All right, then guys, we will finish up to question number 20. Okay, question number 21, 22, and 20. From 21 to 24, we will not do it. Okay, so in the book, cancel question number 21, 22, 23, and 24. For you, I'm just explaining question number 21. What is question number 21? How is doubling and halving the same as addition and subtraction? Because doubling and halving are opposite of each other, like addition and subtraction. If I say 6 plus 2 is equals to what? 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. If I do opposite, if I subtract 2 from 8, so I will get again 6. 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. In the same way, if I find out the double of 2, double of, let's suppose 3. If I find out the double of 3, so 3 double means the answer will be 6. And if I find out the opposite of that, half of 6. So 6 divided by 2 will give me again the answer, that is 3. Okay, so this is how doubling and halving are same, because here we will do opposite, multiply by 2 or divide by 2. In order to find out double, we multiply by 2, and in order to find out the half, we divide by 2. That's why they are same as addition and subtraction, because addition and subtraction are also opposite to each other, and doubling and halving are also opposite to each other. What happens to the number when you double a multiple of 5? Whenever you double a multiple of 5, guys, you will get the multiple of 10. Any number, like 25 is a multiple of 5. Whenever you double a multiple of 5, you will get the multiple of 10. Clear, guys? Don't need to write it in your notebook.
Sir, I don't understand. I don't understand.
Yes, sir.
I know.
Very good, very good. Guys, did you complete up to question number 20?
Sir, I don't understand.
Yeah.
I don't know.
No.
Very good. Sharif, what you did not understand?
How double we can multiply it by 5? Double means add 2. Add
So I'm not saying that for doubling, you have to multiply by 5.
in the book.
In the book, the question was how doubling and halving is same as addition and subtraction. So the answer
Yeah,
I gave
the
you,
second
listen,
one,
listen. I answered the answer I gave you that as addition and subtraction are opposite to each other, in the same way, doubles and halves are also opposite to each other. Okay.
Yeah, and the second one, how we can do multiply double of 5.
The second question about multiples of 5. What happens
Yeah,
to the number when you double a multiple of 5? When you double a multiple of 5, you get the multiple of 10. Any number take
yeah,
from multiple of 5.
yeah,
5,
yeah.
double it, multiply by 2, the answer 10.
I was thinking that we can do the table of 5.
The question is saying what happens to the number of when you double a multiple of 5? It becomes multiple of 10.
It will be 10.
Yes.
It will be
15
a
multiplied by 2, 30. Whenever multiple of 5, you double multiple of 5, you will get the answer which is multiple of 10. Okay.
Okay.
Good. All right, guys. Question number 20 we finished, and this is the end of our topic. Any questions related to the topic, guys? Let me take Zed, what he is saying. Yes, Zed. Zed.
Sir, I
Yes.
don't complete question number 16.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Zed, if I start showing you question number 16, so some students would not be able to write question number 20. So do one thing, I will upload it in Classera course material. Okay. So you can copy it from there. Or if you want, take a picture right now first. Take a picture of question number 16 and then you can copy it from the picture as well. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, guys, our class time is going to be finished. Inshallah, in the next class, we will start new topic. Okay, if you could not finish it, don't worry. I will upload it in Classera course material. You can copy it down from there. Inshallah, in the next class, we'll start new topic. So until then, take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, all of you.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye-bye.